Welcome to Bike Shift. Today we explore one of the most mysterious and futuristic aircraft concepts in the world, the 2026 version of the Mikoyan MiG-41. Often described as a sixth-generation interceptor, this aircraft is expected to redefine speed, stealth, and high-altitude warfare. The MiG-41 is being developed as a successor to the legendary MiG-31 Foxhound. Designed by Mikoyan, this next-generation aircraft is expected to push the limits of aviation technology. Unlike traditional fighters, the MiG-41 is focused on interception at extreme speeds and altitudes, possibly even operating near space. The concept revolves around creating an aircraft that can respond quickly to threats such as hypersonic missiles, stealth bombers, and even satellites in low Earth orbit. The design of the MiG-41 is rumored to feature advanced stealth shaping, heat-resistant materials, and cutting-edge avionics. At speeds potentially exceeding Mach 4, the aircraft will require entirely new materials to withstand extreme temperatures caused by air friction. Another key feature is the possibility of unmanned or optionally piloted operation. This means the MiG-41 could be flown remotely or autonomously, reducing risk to human pilots during high-risk missions. Artificial intelligence and advanced radar systems are also expected to play a major role, allowing the aircraft to detect and engage targets at unprecedented ranges. Performance is where the MiG-41 truly stands out. Reports suggest it could achieve hypersonic speeds, far surpassing current fighters. This would make it one of the fastest combat aircraft ever built. The engines are expected to be a new generation of high-thrust, fuel-efficient power plants designed for sustained high-speed flight. Combined with its ability to operate at extremely high altitudes, the MiG-41 could intercept threats faster than any existing aircraft. The MiG-41 is expected to carry advanced long-range missiles capable of engaging both aerial and space-based targets. This includes anti-satellite weapons, making it a key player in future space defense strategies. Additionally, it may feature directed energy weapons like lasers, although this remains speculative. Its weapon systems will likely be integrated with AI for faster targeting and engagement decisions. In modern warfare, speed and information dominance are critical. The MiG-41 is designed to excel in both areas. It could act as a rapid response interceptor, a space defense platform, and a high-speed reconnaissance aircraft. With rising global interest in hypersonic technology, the MiG-41 represents a major step toward the future of aerial combat. The 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 remains largely classified, but its potential is undeniable. If developed as planned, it could become one of the most advanced and powerful interceptors ever created. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more cutting-edge technology and future machines shaping our world.